Hello and welcome to the ZooBC mobile wallet. When you first install the wallet, you're gonna have two options: to import an existing wallet or to create a new wallet. When you create a new wallet, 24 random words, which are called a seed phrase, are gonna be prepared for you. You need to note this word carefully, put in a safe place, because this is the only way to access your wallet from anywhere. If you lose this, nobody can help you restore it. So copy it, write it down on a piece of paper, and once you've done that, in the next screen, you're going to be asked to enter two of those words to verify that you saved your seed phrase properly. Once you have done that, you're gonna be asked to choose a PIN. Choose something better than 11111. After you choose your PIN, you type it again to confirm, and then this brings you to the wallet. To refresh the status of the wallet, drag the screen down. How to open an existing wallet? First of all, we need to log out from the current wallet. In settings, you're gonna see the option to log out. Once you're logged out, you have either the option to enter the PIN existing wallet or press the button to create a new wallet. You can then choose to open an existing wallet. At this point, you need to enter the 24 words that you saved in a safe place earlier and press Restore Wallet. Choose a new PIN, because this PIN is stored only on the phone, and confirm the PIN that you have chosen. At this point, the wallet is going to ask if you want to go search for all the different accounts that were previously being created with this seed phrase. And you're going to see that once it's open, you can restore a current state of a wallet. How to change account. Once that you have several accounts already created, you can click on the account and then a list is going to open. There you can choose another account and automatically the wallet moves to show you the transaction of that one account. How to create a new account. You can simply click on the account icon and click on Add Account. You can choose to add a new account. You can choose a name for this account and choose the account type. How to receive funds. To receive funds, you just click on the Receive button and it's gonna show you a QR code. You can also enter the amount of ZooBC you want to receive, and this automatically modifies the QR code so that the person that scans the QR code with their mobile application automatically get it filled properly. You can choose to copy the address where the funds need to be sent or share it with somebody else through SMS or other messaging application. How to transfer funds. To send somebody some ZooBC, you press on the Send button. This brings you to a screen where you can choose which account you want to send from. Choose an account that has funds. And then you can choose who to send to. You can choose somebody from your contacts, one of your own other accounts, or a new address. Now we're going to send funds to another of our accounts. Choose an account that is empty. At this point, you enter how many ZooBC you want to send. Make sure that is lower than your balance. And after this, you can also add a message for the person that received the funds. Paying attention that being a blockchain, the message is publicly readable. So it's not encrypted and is available on the blockchain. Done this, press on the button Next, and you're going to be asked to confirm the fee. You approve, press on Confirm Transaction to submit the transaction. You need to enter your security PIN, the one that you choose when you create the wallet, and this automatically submit the transaction. Once you confirm, in the main screen you can see that your transaction is pending, means is in a mempool waiting to be added in the block of the blockchain. How to see all the transactions? From the main screen you can click on See All, and this brings you to a screen where all the transactions are listed. If you click on a transaction, you're gonna be brought to a page where you can see the details. How to do an escrow transaction. An escrow transaction is like another transaction. You choose who to send to, and then you put the amount, and then you click on extra transaction. At this point, you can choose an approver. An approver is another account that belongs to a person or a piece of software that will have the authority to approve or reject the transaction that you're doing. So the transaction is like a normal transaction, me sending some funds to person B, but I add person C, so that person C, being paid a little reward, has a certain amount of times to choose to approve or reject the transaction. I can also add some instruction to say for what reason they should approve or what reason they should reject. If the approver is a computer, here we can put some JSON code. At this point, we press next, we confirm the transaction, which increases with the quantity of data that we put, and then we confirm and submit the transaction. We put our PIN, and the transaction is queued. Now, on the other side, how do we approve an escrow transaction? To approve an extra transaction, we need to look on the back where there is a task tab. The task shows things that we have to do. We have a pending task, and this pending task is the approval of a escrow transaction. We need to enter a message where we can choose then to confirm or reject. The message will be the explanation for our approval or rejection. Once we do this, we enter our PIN, and our approval or rejection is being submitted to the blockchain. How to do multi-signature wallets? To do a multi-signature wallets in the accounts, when I add an account, I can choose to add a new multi-signature account. I give it a name, and then I choose from the list of my contacts the participant of this multi-signature account. We can add as many participants as we want. We choose a unique ID for this multi-signature because same participant make same signature, so we differentiate it with this unique ID. And then we choose how many signatures are necessary out of the total to approve the transaction for this wallet. Once it's approved, the multi-signature account is going to be added to all the others. Now we need to share it with the others. How to do it? We go in View Account and we see that there is a QR code that the other can scan to import the multi-signature account.